What's the one item that fitness enthusiasts, busy moms, and office workers are all raving about in 2024? It's the Stanley Quencher H2.0 Tumbler, the drinkware sensation that's taken hydration to a whole new level. In this video, we'll explore why this tumbler isn't just popular, it's essential. Whether you're on the move, at your desk, or hitting the gym, this might just be your new favorite companion. The Quencher H2.0 is designed with double-wall vacuum insulation, keeping your drinks cold for up to 11 hours, or iced for 2 full days. Yes, you heard that right, 2 days of ice-cold water. Its innovative lid has 3 positions: a rotating cover with a straw opening, a wide mouth for chugging, and a fully covered option to prevent spills, making it as functional as it is stylish. With a large 30 Oz capacity, a sturdy ergonomic handle, and a design that fits most car cup holders, it's perfect for travel, workouts, or just daily hydration at home or work. Made from 18/8 stainless steel, this tumbler is BPA-free and built to last, helping you ditch plastic bottles once and for all. From cherry blossom pink to matte black, the H2.0 comes in colors that suit every style, and yes, it looks as good as it performs. So, whether you're staying hydrated at your desk or cooling off after a run, the Stanley Quencher H2.0 is more than a tumbler. It's a lifestyle upgrade. Click the link in the video description to grab yours today and check out other essential products that'll help you and your family enjoy a more organized, healthier, and happier life. And don't forget, if you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more smart product picks every week.